So, hey guys, Plasmade78 here, and I got a butterfly knife video to show you. This is a move that I made up called the latch open. So this is how it looks. Yeah, you didn't see all that. Let me scooch back a little bit. Okay, here we go. You still didn't see all of it. How many takes am I gonna have to do? Okay, close this. That's how it looks. So let's get on to the video. So how you do it is, you see the latch here? You flick it up like that, and then you have the whole thing just swing down like that. And when that happens, there should be momentum, so it can spring back up. Wait. It goes like, yeah. So it springs down, you twist it around, and you spring it all the way up. Swing it back, and then spin it around, swing it forward, swing it back, and it's opened. So let me show you again. Flick this up, let this drop down, turn the knife, flick it all the way up, turn this, flick it back, forward, and then that was the closing. So it's like this. Yeah, keep it like this, flick it forward and then back, and that's opened. So that was a butterfly knife review, and I will see you guys next time. Yeah.